like a bear when he sleeps. Well, sometimes when people sleep, their throat gets a little too relaxed. It's like when you squeeze a straw too tight, and the juice can't flow through. This makes it hard for air to pass, causing loud snoring or even stopping breathing for a moment. But don't worry, doctors can help with special masks or machines. Here's the twist. Some people even dream of flying while wearing their sleep masks, just like superheroes. So, next time you hear Daddy snoring, imagine he's dreaming of saving the world!